Hey, I got a JVC turntable here. This thing doesn't work. I got it plugged in to my little power supply here. I got juice going to it. There's my little indicator that telling you my power strip's on. But I got no juice going to it. There's nothing going on. You'll notice that my needle is that's as far as it'll go back. Usually when it's over here, that should be on and playing, right? Well, that's all it does. It don't do nothing. So I think there's something in here that's misaligned or something. And I know the needle on here is also broke. So we'll have to get a new needle on there. This thing's been sitting around for a while and was just getting ready to use it. Not me, the person that owns it. So wanted me to take a look at it and see if I can figure it out. So that's what we're going to do. It's been a long time since I had one of these in my hand, so we'll see what we can do. Start by taking the back off and giving a look back here and try to figure out why this thing only goes back that far. I mean, I can force it back, so I can lock it in there like that, but as soon as that shoots right out of there, as soon as I let it out of there. It's alright. Let's give it a look. Alright. Got some rubber looking stuff here. Looks like the glue come undone. Little old. Must be soundproofing, vibration stuff, something. I'm not even sure. It's coming unstuck though. Get that out of the way. I put some stuff underneath there so the needle isn't sitting on the, or so this whole thing isn't sitting on the needle, and kind of balance it a little bit. Pretty busy underneath here, huh? Alright. This is the assumed area of something going on here. I have to take a minute myself and check it out. Make sure nothing looks broke. Change some glasses here so I can zoom up on it a little bit more. Good. Everything looks okay. Let me release the needle here and see what it acts like underneath here. So I'm just going to release the needle from the catch and let it move. Whatever it was, it now doesn't do it. So that automatically makes me think that right off the bat it was this stuff right here causing it. the way these edges are bowed down and everything, because this was on there like this. So that means this corner right here was up in this area, causing something to not move properly. Let me put my finger about where it was. Here's the corner. Yep. So one corner was right here. This corner right here was hitting right down here. And if I set this needle free again to move it, that doesn't do it. But now let's look at the other side here. This side right here, and that's pretty hard too. So if we look at where that was hitting about right here on this piece right here. So if that was holding this in any way, that would definitely make it so it wasn't doing what it was supposed to. If it was, because this right here is the needle, those pieces right here hitting on this at all would make the needle so it can't return back to its spot that it's supposed to, which would make it not engage this switch right here. So that would make perfect sense, because that's all the way back now. With this all the way back now in the spot where it's supposed to be, now when I move the needle in and out, you can see it engages this switch right here. It's closed, now it's open, and the needle's in the resting position where it should be all the way home. Now the needle's out playing on the record, let's say. So this was not happening right there either. So this seems like it was the problem. I'm going to put this needle back in here, lock it down so we don't have a problem there. So whatever the purpose is of this stuff right here, this stuff is the problem. And all this glue is just falling right off. So for now, I'm just going to take it out of there for a second. Let me, I'm going to take a quick picture of it, so just so I know where it goes, because I'll try to put it back in there, but who knows? It all depends if I can get it to lay down. It's sticky on the bottom too. Yeah, it's pretty sticky on the bottom, but it's awful curled up. So if I can get this to stay back down, maybe I can put some more hot glue on it like they did. I'll have to get out my hot glue gun. I'm just going to set it out of the way for right now though. All their hot glue just came right off. Alright, so let's put this back on for right now and see if this thing at least turns on and does what it's supposed to do. I shouldn't have to put in any of the screws because we're just going to flip it over and see what it does. Something doesn't feel like it's going in right. Everything looks right. Alright, let's give this a try. We'll even put the table on here. Make it seem all authentic. Get the belt put on there. See, now we unlatch this and it doesn't shoot over anymore. It stays right about where it's supposed to. So let's plug this thing in now and see if it does anything different. I got it raised up right now. That's down. That's up. It still doesn't turn on. Am I missing something? Oh, there's the problem. I think the belt might be a little stiff. There we go. I think the belt might be a little stiff or something there. So hey, look at that. So I guess that was the problem. This little stuff right in there was laying on the needle arm in there, that little rod that was in there, and that was causing the whole thing not to work. So I guess if you have that kind of a problem, you know what to look for. I don't know why JVC put this stuff in there. It's got to be in there for a reason, I'm assuming for sound or something like that. If you know why it's in there, go ahead and clue the rest of us in. Throw it in the comments down there. I'm going to go ahead and get a needle for this thing and get it back to the owner. I'll show you. I'll put a picture up of what the needle looks like because it's broke off. I'm sure you know what a broke off needle looks like, but there you go. Alright, quick short video. There you go. I guess we'll see you in the next one.